So Greenic is a sustainable venture. So what we are doing is we are converting the papaya stalks into straws.
So basically our product, like I told you, is a waste material that was going as waste from papaya farms. In every tree, approximately 5 to 6 papaya stalks dry and fall out every 5 to 10 days. This papaya stalk is naturally hollow. That's how we got this idea of making it into a straw.
Our first initial process is getting the stalks from the farmers and bringing it to our warehouse.
Once it reaches our warehouse, the first process is making it into a size of a straw. So one papaya stalk is approximately 50 to 60 centimeters in length, and we are intending to make 2 straws out of one stalk. So basically it's cutting it into 46 centimeter length that can make 2 straws each. First wash happens, the basic sterilizing, cleaning it for germs, dirt, whatever. So that is the first process, the basic cleaning with pure water. Third process is basically cutting it into 2. So I told 40 centimeter length is one stalk. So we are cutting it into a size of standard length of 197 mm. That is the basic standard size for a straw. We cut it into 2, and then it's the drying process. So in the drying process, basically all the enzymes, everything is dried and moved. So the papaya stalk is basically 60 to 70% is pure water inside the stalk. So basically this is removed in the drying process, and the final step is a patented process for us. That is actually a combination of alcoholic and acidic mixtures that actually removes all the enzymes dirt. So the end would be only fiber. So this is the whole process, and then it's packaging and then supplying it to the customers.
Our random idea, like let's say creating a straw from a papaya, is a very crazy idea. So we talked with a lot of people, and all those people were like, "Are you mad? Are you mad to do it again?"
TSEC is, it's actually a life-changing moment, when we decided to apply for TSEC. The term social, we never knew that this was a social initiative or anything. But when we started working, when talking to people, TSEC, Tata, many challenges, all gave us the idea that what you're doing is social, man.
Tata Social Enterprise Challenge has done is like they have validated our idea much bigger than what we have seen. Like the impact that we can bring to the society is far better. You go to see like people who is underprivileged. Like these farmers are not getting enough money that they really want to. So what we wanted to we are giving back to the society. We are not making money for ourselves. So that is the major thing that makes me happy every day.
So basically, looking back, what we can identify is how we should follow the path of social entrepreneurship, and what it can gain to your personal life is what we understood from Tata.